It's summertime, and it's hot. But at WestPoint Home, Bed & Bath Factory Outlet, get a cool 50% off everything in the store. Sound too good to be true? It's the WestPoint Home, Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Memorial Day sale, and it all starts on Monday, May 18th, 2026 in downtown Chipley, Florida. Memorial Day kicks off the summer, and this sale kicks off your opportunity to give your home a cool summer makeover without breaking the bank. WestPoint Home offers sheets, towels, comforters, pillows, and household accessories, all at huge discounts every day of the week, all year long. But during this Memorial Day blowout sale, the prices they've just got to be seen to be believed. Huge discounts on some of our best values starting Monday, May 18th, 2026, with name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux, and more. From blankets and throws to plush comforters, bath towels and memory foam pillows, flannel sheets, shower curtains, comforters, on and on and on. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Memorial Day Blowout Sale, starting Monday, May 18th, 2026. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, and let the cool summer savings begin.